Hi, I'm Mr. Batty. I'm the Deputy Principal for Culture here at Corinda State High School. Today we're going to have some of our senior students talking about their experiences with how multicultural and inclusive Corinda is in order to celebrate and promote the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination.
Harmony Day is a beautiful day where we come to celebrate our cultural diversity at school. I think it's an important celebration just to let the kids know that and to remind them that inclusion and respect for all cultural backgrounds is how we strengthen our community.
So I think our school does a great job of embracing cultures and religions. So we have this amazing event during Term 2 which is Multifest, and it's where students from different cultures get to perform their traditional dances and put on their traditional wear, and it's really amazing. All the students go and watch, and it's such an amazing event after school. We've got food trucks from all different cultures as well.
So at Corinda State High School, during different weeks like Multicultural Night and Chinese Week that we had earlier this year, our tuck shop and cafe have offered a wide range of cuisines and foods that were available to the students. Like right now at our cafe we're doing Burmese for the week, which is very exciting. I think that's another incredible way that we can embrace these cultures all around our school.
I think the ways that students can contribute to make our school a welcoming place is that they should learn about their friends, learn about their background, their culture, where they come from, and learn about the cultural practices that they do. And they should also welcome anyone else that's new to the school, whether it be a new person, make a friend of them, and learn about them as well.
It's important to recognize the International Day for the Elimination of Racial Discrimination because one of the most powerful tools for change is awareness. So often things that we are not aware of are the things that we really, really need to change.
Yeah, so really being at Corinda State High School, I'm encountering so many different cultures, religions, stuff like that, and I have mates who are from different cultures and religions, and getting to know them and not really placing this label over them where I go, oh, he's from this different culture or religion. It's just my friends, and I learn with them, experience life with them, and I just grow to know each person individually, no matter what,
I just want to say how important it is to accept everyone in your friend group and just everyone in general. You don't have to be the best friends with them, you just accept and